everyone, and you all know what I'm gonna draw today. Mikasa here and Eren's Titan here. So let's start. Fix the sketch in place with tapes, and here I have plenty of references. I have drawn the Titan using this one, and I'm gonna draw Mikasa using all of these references. And the crying face is using this one reference. So let's start by using a 2H pencil in the start, and it's a very light pencil, even lighter than normal. And let's set the video in a little speed, and I am gonna keep circulating around the pictures to draw a perfect one. At first I was not gonna film it because it's not a tutorial. I decided to show only shading and the outline, but then I thought I should be showing the process too. But here I have taken another reference to draw the face because I didn't like the previous one, so I hope I will like it now. And as I'm showing the process, you guys will come to know that how I draw in actual before making the video. It was really hard to draw Mikasa because I couldn't really find a perfect picture. And here I have slowed down the video a little to show you that how I am drawing the hand. But to be honest, I am not good with anatomy. So everyone, this video is gonna be fun, so don't forget to watch till the end and like the video. And here I searched some women's side postures to draw her legs because I told you I'm not good with anatomy. So I really needed help. And I have removed the face again and drawing it again, hoping to do better this time. Page is really ruined and I was really stuck here. Didn't even know if my sketch is coming up to my expectations or not, and of course I was afraid. So finally it was my last time drawing the face. We have achieved perfection, and now let's go back to Eren and draw him. At first I thought I should be doing this fan art after watching the last episode, and I was really confused between the founding Titan and this initial Titan, that which one should I draw. But then I went with this one and then regretted because I thought I should have drawn the founding Titan instead. But one of the friends told me not to regret because it's still looking good and it looks like they wanna go to their previous days, and in this way this art has a better meaning than the founding Titan one, and I was happy then. So the basic sketch is done, and now let's remove it with this razor and then do the outline. Removing is done. Let's clean this trash, and now I'm using an 8B pencil. Yes, it's 8B, and let's do the outline now. I'm really messing up with the outline, but you can't notice, I guess, because it's in the video, it's in speed and from the far angle. It's more advantageous if you do the shading first and then do the outline, in my opinion, but I did the outline first always. I guess there's not a huge problem if we do the outline first too. So now I'm using this graphite, which is near to 6B grade, and spread it all over the hair to do shading, and then blend it with a blending stump. I have one more fan art idea of Eren and Mikasa together circulating in my mind right now, but I'm not gonna do that. First of all, I'm gonna draw all the anime character requested by you guys, and then I will think if I need to do that. But I really think that the new fan art idea maybe will be better than this one. And right now I'm using a 2H pencil for the blending purpose, and see how it's gonna blend the hairs. I have been speaking since the video started. No doubt, I have got a lot to talk about in this video. And I know I sound so fake when I try to show emotions through my voice. I'm a bad actor, but I used to think that I am good. Poor me. Still, I can't bring myself to laugh on this silly joke. If you haven't liked the video yet, then like the video, and haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe to my channel because you may not see me again. So forgot to mention that I'm using 2H pencil to shade in the whole skin, and now I'm using this tissue paper to blend it, because if I use blending stump they will ruin it, because they're for blending at smaller scale, and for larger scale and light blending we use cotton or tissue. And I'm just trying to make it realistic more and more till I can, because you know the references I took are so simple, and if this art doesn't look like something special and realistic, I am doomed. Then I will never like this, never. So I'm gonna try my best and hard to make it realistic as much as I can. Subscribe for easy anime drawing tutorials. And the next tutorial is gonna be of Rengoku, I guess, because many subscriber has asked me multiple times to draw him, so it's really necessary. Should I share the idea of my next fan art? I'm not gonna do it now, okay? I will do all the anime characters being requested by you guys first, okay? I will try to say less okay next time. And right now I am removing some graphite from the hair to create shines. I'm really not taking care of the sequence and the order of shading. Like, I'm doing whatever comes to mind at the time, but I think the Eren is almost done and we should go to Mikasa now. But I'm gonna draw some hatching lines in the end, and I was confused before doing that. I'm always confused. What if they ruin the sketch? What if they don't look good? But thankfully they looked good. and now I'm doing the same hatching lines. And here, let me give you a real-time close-up of hatching. I love hatching, but I don't really know about it, nor I'm good at it. But you can see it's not looking that bad, it's still okay. And now I'm using this white paint marker to create the shines in the eye and this tear. And I guess we are almost done with the sketch. So everyone, thanks for watching till the end, and let me do my signature in the end. And I know all of you liked the video and new ones are gonna subscribe too. So please support me in my YouTube journey. So the day I completed it was 31, but I accidentally wrote November. Poor me. So now we are seeing the final look. From this close and everything is looking good. Not perfect obviously, but it's still good. And I really hope all of you liked this one. And also comment what you think about it. I will love to hear your opinions. So let's meet you in the next video and wait for it. Bye everyone. Take care of yourself.